በጣም ነው የሚወድ ይሄ ምንድን ነበር ስሙ?
በለስ ሪቨር።
This is Beles River, the main Beles and the small Beles catchment area. This is a bridge. ፎቶ አለ ያቺን እንትኗን አንደግምና ነሳ ገጀር ስንመለስ ያቺ ኬብሏን እንዴት
እህት ያለውን ኬብል
ላይ ያለ
የዚህን ነው
የዚህን ሳይሆን አንድ ማንሳት የምፈልገው ኬብል አለ የሚቀየረው ኬብል
ግልገል አባይ ነው
ላይ
ግልገል አባይ ነው አሁን ይታያል።
This is crazy.
Beles River.
This is Beles River at the catchment area. Babizenda. At the Babizenda. This is
at bridge.
At bridge measurement.
Yes.
This is a bridge.
Yes.
Okay. This is a bridge. And this is the rivers. It seems a very long span. It's about 150 meter and above. And so far here there is 6 gauges, yes?
Yes, 3 gauges.
And
it needs
3 is in the water, 3 is above. And it needs to add another additional 3. It's 9.
Yes.
You know, as you see the place is very wide. And here is a bridge. You can see the span. It's about it's divided in 3 places, and each span it longs about 30 meters. It's about 100 meters, I think. And the beam is about 1.5 meter and 1.5 meter and it's about 1 meter slab. If you are going to use it here in the radar, you should have to design like this, okay? The water flow is now minimum, I think. How is the water now? Now it's the minimum level, I think. But sometimes it goes down also.
2.79.
Yes, now it's a depth of about 2.79 meters. But it increases up to 8 meters, something like that. Okay.